Now free transform is modified in Photoshop 2020 either for pixel, object or vector shapes, and still you don't have to press shift or anything like that. So for instance, if you would like to transform that layer, which is caking layer, we need to press Command or Control T, and without holding Shift key, you can easily transform your shape and it will maintain its proportions. However, if you would like to distort your shape, you need to be holding Shift key. So holding Shift key, dragging up. Now we are distorting our shape. So let's undo that, pressing Command or Control Z. And the same also applies to vector shapes. So let me also cancel that, pressing Escape, selecting any of vector shapes, maybe rectangle tool, and start drawing. Maybe a perfect square, so I have to hold shift in that case, because remember guys, it's a rectangle tool, not a square tool. However, when I need to transform that one, I need to press Command or Control T. And now I don't have to hold shift to maintain proportions, so dragging, it's still a perfect square and you can see dimensions on the screen as well. However, if I would like to distort that one, I have to hold shift key. So holding shift key and dragging maybe from here. And here we go, we have a rectangle in that case. And of course that makes sense because you should have unified their transforming techniques. And for any of you guys, if you would like to go back to your legacy shortcuts, now you can do that from your preferences like it was before Photoshop 2019. So let's execute that, pressing return. And let's go quickly to preferences. From here for Mac, you can find your preferences, and for Windows users, you will find that one under Edit here. Okay, so let's go back to Photoshop menu, Preferences, General Settings. You will find Use Legacy Free Transform. If you are so used to using Shift key while you're making your transformations, you can easily keep using that Shift key by using that option here.